Hi, good afternoon. My name's Danny here from SmartWitness, and I'm here at Autosport at NEC Birmingham. Here, happy to announce that we are going to be the new collaborator of British Truck Racing for the 2019 season. This year, all vehicles will have the CP2 with SmartView2 installed on all vehicles, so that all the adjudicators and all the fans get to see everything from the inside view. If you have a look on the vehicle, we've got our own badges on the side of the vehicles. Why don't I show you around the cabin so you can have a look and see exactly how the CP2 works within the vehicle. As you can see over here, we have the CP2, which is mounted on the windscreen. Sometimes it's also mounted at the back of the cage, depending on the type of vehicle. This camera, CP2, is capable of stability with vehicles traveling at 100 miles an hour, with crystal clear clarity. With the G-shock that these vehicles undergo, you get crystal clear clarity at all times.